Hey everyone and welcome back to this practical step-by-step guide on how to create a free website using Wix.com. So, Wix lets anyone build a professional looking website for free with its drag and drop tools, tons of templates, and zero required technical knowledge. It's ideal for you if you're just starting out. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a live mobile ready site and the know-how to keep it growing. So, first, open your browser. Simply navigate to a new tab and type in wix.com. Hit enter and this will take you to this page. Here you can see I've already logged in. So if I sign out, it will look something like this. Here you'll have to click on get started. After click on get started, just simply click on continue with Google, choose an account to sign up, or you can also enter your email, confirm the email, choose a password, confirm your password and sign up for a new account. After you sign up, you'll be taken to this page. That will ask you who are you creating a website for. Choose anyone, for myself or for a client. Click on continue. Now, you can use AI and utilize it to bring your ideas to life just with single prompt. So you can click on start chat or just continue without AI. So I will choose setup without chat because I want to select a template. Now, choose what type of website do you want to create. I will choose portfolio. You can choose any one of these. You can also search for any website that you want to create. I'm going to simply choose film student portfolio and click on continue. Now this will start loading my dashboard, and as you can see, we are successfully logged into our dashboard. Now here you'll have to enter what would you like to call your website. You can also skip these steps and just get straight to your dashboard. Now this is where everything will be managed, but we are going to click on design site button at the top right of the screen. Now, Wix gives you two main paths. Wix AI website builder, through which you can answer a few questions and Wix will generate a ready to edit site for your needs. Also, the another one is Wix editor with templates, through which you can browse and customize hundreds of pre-made site themes. For beginners, I recommend starting with the AI builder for speed. Or you can also pick a template if you want to browse different styles and layout. So I will choose, for example, customize a template. I will click on pick a template. Now, as I scroll through a few template choices, notice the modern designs and how you can preview any site before editing. So just hover over any of the websites and click on view and you'll be able to get a preview of that website pretty easily. You can go back, choose any one of these websites and just click on the edit button. When you click on edit, it will instantly take you to the Wix editor where you can click anything to change it. So in the Wix editor, you can click on a text to update your site's name, welcome message or description. So for example, if I'll have to edit it, I will just click on this text element and click on edit text. Now I can easily add any kind of name that I want. Now, if it says portfolio and I want to edit it, I will click on edit text and choose any other text, and I can also choose to edit the design of this text. For example, you can increase the size, you can change the font, you can increase the font size, make it bold, italic, make it underlined, and do much more with these settings. You can also change images in sections by clicking and uploading your own photos or use Wix free stock library. So I will click on this image for example and click on change slide background. Now I have all these pre-existing backgrounds that Wix gives for free, or I can click on color image or video and upload these by clicking on upload media, choose upload from computer, then upload an image, choose it. You can also crop it. Click on save at the top right and click on change background. And as you can see, I've successfully changed the background of my Wix page. You can also drag elements like text, images and buttons wherever you want by clicking on add elements button and choose image or just button. And I will choose a button that will look something like this that says shop. So I will drag it and drop it on any part of my website and that button will be added. Now I'll click on this button, click on settings. You can edit the text of this button. For example, I will type in next or buy. You can change the icon if you want. You can click on choose a link and choose whenever someone clicks on this button where they will be redirected to, whether it will be a page, web address, document, email, phone number, top or bottom of the page, or section or anchor. So if I add web address, I'll have to just copy a web address URL, that is this part, and paste it just right here. and click on done. After you do this, you would have successfully added a button for your Wix website. How easy it is to update colors, backgrounds and fonts using the left sidebar. Every change is instant and there's an undo button if you make a mistake. Now, let's make sure that your site has essentials like home page. So make sure you click on this plus icon and choose site pages and menu, and make sure that you have a home page, about me page or about us page, then contact page. If you don't have it, click on add menu item or just click on add page and choose another page to add to. You can choose from templates or you can create from blank. If you click on blank page, you can easily create it. Just name it something like contact us page, click on done. After you do this, click on three-dotted icon, click on page background and you can choose a good background for your page. If it's okay, get back, cut it out, and as you can see, we just added this page on our Wix website. Now, simply click on the mobile icon in the top left and you'll be able to see how your website looks like on mobile. So it's look pretty good. If you want to add just anything like buttons or anything, just make sure you drag it on any other part, edit it, and that will be applied to the laptop part too. So adjust any spacing, text size or image that don't look perfect. Wix templates are mobile friendly by default, but always double check. You can click the settings to update your site's title, social favicon, that is a small logo in browsers, and description, which helps with Google search. When you're satisfied, click on the publish icon at the top right and Wix gives you a free website address, something like username.wixsite.com, or you can also connect your own customized domain by clicking on this button and choose save and continue. For this project, we'll continue with the free domain and click on save and continue. After you do this, our site will be saved. Now, click on done. As you can see, we have successfully published our site. Now you can click on complete setup button that is given just right here, and this will take you to your Wix page where you can connect your custom domain. Just enter the domain that you have, click on let's go, and you would have added a domain. Then you can write your first blog post by clicking on this button and write a new blog post. Now you can also click on get found on Google by clicking on get started, and your SEO journey will start just right here. If you complete these steps that is given in this checklist or the SEO, your site will start ranking and you will get visitors every day. And the activity feed will be just right here. If you want to add new apps, it will be here. The video library, photo album, sales, and all these settings and customizations will be on this page. That is your Wix dashboard for your site. And if you want to get back to the website editor, click on edit site button and you'll be easily able to do that. That's it. You've now launched a free professional website with Wix.com, all with no coding and no cost. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.